So, ASUS sent us this today. And we're going to unbox it in front of you. Quick check. Am I in frame? Okay. So, can you guess what this is? This is the ASUS GeForce RTX 4070 Super. This is the dual model. So this is just an unboxing video. We're not going to do the review yet. Reviews coming up. I think we just keep this in the video. Reviews coming up on the 17th. I'm so sorry, the neighbors had to renovate today, so the audio is going to be a bit noisy. So, 4070 Super. Interesting. So from what I've heard, there's going to be a 4070 Super, Super TI, and then there's going to be a 4080 Super and Super TI. Dinak told me there's going to be a 4060 Super as well. Is that true? Super TI. Unconfirmed, right? Rumors say lah, so we don't know yet. So, EP33 Collection de Carta. I don't know what it means, but it's interesting. Yep, this is the inside, and this is the external box. It's actually very similar to all the dual boxes. In fact, actually, I quite like the dual GPUs. I prefer dual fans than triple fans because it's just way smaller. It's easier to build in. There's less limitation when it comes to casings. Okay, as you know, for the 40 series cards are actually huge. And here we go. Oops, sorry, I hit the mic. Okay, this is new to me. There's actually unpacking steps. Oh, there's unpacking steps. Okay. Actually, over here there's unpacking steps. I didn't know that. All the while, buka. So you're supposed to take this up. You're supposed to lift it up like this and open up everything. And the GPU is vacuum wrap 12VH power cable. Okay, so the Super runs on the 12VH power, similar to its TI sibling. Still fully wrapped in stickers. Okay, can see it now. Yeah. Yep. I think you need to use two hands, Adina. You're shaking the entire camera. Okay, zoom back out. It's a very small card. It retains the standard dual design. As you can see here, there's still that dual thing going on here. The back is still the same. But let's see what else it comes with. I assume this is where you actually put the 12VH power cables, because there's nothing in here. It's foam. Okay, everything will move aside. So it comes with your typical quick start guide, your thank you collector's edition card, and that's it. So, 4070 Super. What's the difference with the 4070 and the 4070 Ti? The only difference is the 4070 stands out from not using the 12 VH power. So for 4070 Super onwards, 12 VH power. So yeah, that's it. 4070 Super Dual.